In today's presentation, we are going to be looking at the first letter in Igbo language known as A. We are going to look at some words and their meaning. Each word, the pronunciation will determine the meaning. Let's look at number first one, Aka, aka Aka. It means hand. Azu, Azu. It means back. Azu, Azu. It means fish. Awo, Awo. It means toad. Atoro, Atoro. It means sheep. Aqua, Aqua. It means clothing or clothes. Aqua, Aqua. It means egg. Aqua, Aqua. It means bed. Aqua, Aqua. It means cry. Aja, Aja. It means sacrifice. Aja, Aja. It means soil. So the pronunciation of these words determines the meaning. Like AKWA, it means four things depending on the way you pronounce it. Let me repeat AKWA. Aqua, Aqua. It means bed. Aqua, it means egg. Aqua, it means clothing. And aqua, it means cry. You can like, share, and comment so that our brothers in diaspora will learn our language. For tomorrow's presentation, we are going to look at the second letter. Thank you very much.